or anything.
Oh, you're resining it on this. Sheet of what?
Fiberglass.
Fiberglass? For what? Cut them up and stuff it.
No, just to go be the fuel tank floor. Okay, we're getting ready to put this fuel tank floor in. Spend some time shaping the bottom of the cooler so that it sits on the hull nicely. And I just spent some time prepping the hull. And we're getting ready to mix up some thickened resin and move on. It's getting dark pretty quick. I just had to adjust the camera to let in more light. Ah, shit. See? Should have brought that light over. Push it all the way forward. Push it forward. I'm gonna slide it to my left. Push this side forward. Forward. Let it down. Yeah. There's contact on the keel. There's a gap here. Yeah, I see that on both sides. I think that's the hull. Yeah, so that's the unevenness in the hull. So that's just gonna have to sit like that. We gotta put a fillet there on this whole edge and tap it in. So. Alright, well, I don't think this needs no weight. Just clean up the edge there. So yeah, it's no big stuff. Alright. Let's go get some dinner. Oi, slippery. Yeah. So we did the initial skin of the fuel tank floor down. Set up nicely. It's bonded good to the hull. Tiny sanded the edges, and then we're getting ready to tab it in and bulk it up at the same time, you know, give it some strength. I don't reckon this has to be terribly strong. This is only supporting the fuel tank, but you can make it strong anyway. This can be 3 times as strong once you blast this. Oi! Kusa dust. Alright, so fuel tank floor, we just finished glassing it in. We originally laid up 3 layers on the table, cut it to shape, glued it in, and we just went over with 3 more layers and tapped it to the hull as well with those layers. Yeah, this suck up a lot of resin. This chop strand is no joke. So this should be a nice, heavy, sturdy base for our fuel tank. Go. If you enjoy our YouTube...
Come on, man. Serious.
Man, I don't do this, you know.
I don't do it either. You gotta learn. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel. Help us get more followers. And thank you for watching. Cut. Done. Finished.
That was pathetic.